this is a power supply that its fan would grind and make a lot of weird noises when I would turn it on. Now I've already unscrewed everything and pulled the fan out. I'm just showing you how to put the fan in. And I'll go ahead and quickly put the fan in so I can show you how to take the fan out. Here we go. Sneak peek, that's printer sounds. What is it? Pop fans. Wow, it's got a lot of cable to it. That's actually pretty good. So it would be in like this. You pull it up, you unscrew the 2 screws right there and right there, which pulls the fan out. And then you can kind of see.
Boy!
See that right there? You unplug that. That was your fan cable. You put your new one in by pushing it down. And that's it. You're done. Now, careful putting the fan back on because it does not have its threads put in. Kind of great. You can see that. I'm going to use this little guy right here. So you have to hold this fan. Really what I would do is I would leave it unplugged so you can do this freely. And I'm going to change the camera. Okay, hi. Put this in where you need it. And then from this side, you put the screw in. See the screw? Or if you want it to be easier on you, put the screw in first, then put your fan in. Just like that. Now, it's not going to let the screw go all the way through. You got to come to this side and screw it in. Come on. Oh, I'm not even showing y'all. Straight. Now it's going to be hard to do just because the threads have not been cut. So we're cutting the threads. Okay, so that one's in, and I didn't show y'all. Good job! Yahoo! Okay. Be a little bit easier on me this time, so I can show you. Okay. You already have your first screw in, so you don't have to move it at all. Make sure your screw or your hole's in alignment, like this. You'll come to this side. You'll put the screw in. And you tighten it. You will have to push on the fan, by the way. Come on. Tinsel toe. There you go. Hope I showed you on that. Now we're going to plug the fan back in. Boom. Okay, now it's time for the side screws. I have another power supply on my 3D printer because my dad was really nice and bought me another power supply. So I use the mounting screws for that from this power supply here on that power supply. So I won't show you the mounting process, but I'll put in someone else's mounting process. So here we go. So can you kind of see that hole there? We actually got it adjusted so you can see that hole. You get... Okay. Stop. Stop. Screw, stop it. Hey, stop. Hitting everything. Okay, I give up with the manual screwdriver. The big guns are coming. Say hello to the big guns. I'm telling you, these make it easier. We'll scoot to that hole. Brrr. Okay. And usually you would have a plastic piece you'd put on afterwards. But that also, well, not there, but there. But that also went to my other power supply, so we'll just finish screwing that. Didn't share that one. We'll share this one. Hopefully. Got a really big iPad in my face, so. These last two.
Boy!
Now with these electric screwdrivers, be careful not to strip the screw. That's why I push on it. It'll spin out of your hand, well, mine does at least. Here you are. You have finished your power supply. And usually you would put the plastic cover, like I said. Here, I'll just give you what it looks like. That. And usually it would be already screwed in for you, but all that had to go onto that power supply. So. Okay.